Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your Week 6 lecture video. So, as we move into the drafting of the research essay, I believe that assignment is due for next week. Chapter 4 is an important chapter in the textbook. It is designed to help you write that research essay. It's a very good read. I suggest you spend some time in chapter 4 looking over all the different sections and topics. We'll cover as many as them we can in the next maybe week and a half or so. All right. So on this week's schedule is exercise 4.1, which is the dialogue with Dave, and then we're going to move into discussion board 10 or exercise 4.3. So let me get to the discussion boards quickly. The dialogue with Dave went reasonably well. A lot of people are still looking to establish that conversation just to get an idea. Let's get into somebody, not the Double Entry Journal, I'm sorry about that. Let me get into dialogue with Dave. Here we go. Let's open up a document. Basically, the dialogue with Dave does afford everyone the opportunity to begin testing out a topic and they're thinking with their topic. Usually what happens is everybody gets used to doing the research and pulling everything together, and now you're interacting with somebody like Dave and kind of start sorting out the different answers to an audience's questions. And this is exactly what this is designed to do, is to test you about some of the issues regarding your research topics. Some really good items there all through the board. Take your time and take a look at those particular items. One thing I do want to point out, if I let me get down to the exercise 4.3, now this is where Ballinger offers up multiple leads or introductions. He breaks down how to go about either the anecdotal, the scene, the profile, the background. He goes on to quotation, a dialogue, question, announcement, contrast, and he describes some of the ways to achieve those. So this is important because what you're doing is in exercise 4.3, the 3 ways in, is you are actually writing an introduction for your research essay draft. You are taking 3 of those leads that was described here and giving them sort of a test drive. You can decide which one you would like to work with, but you already have the introduction written, prepared for your research essay draft. All right. So that's an important activity. Write your 3 leads as they would appear in a draft. Okay. Don't tell me about them. Write the leads as they would appear in your draft. Copy and paste in the text box, and then tell me which one you like. I'm interested. I need to know. So with the 3 leads and the commentary on it, you're looking at about 400 to 500 words. Okay. Take this as an opportunity to test out a introduction. Copy paste. Start building your draft for the research essay next week. The draft is due. I think I want to say I might have covered that in the screencast, but if not, let me get to the weekly module. Let's get into the 6th module here. Here I discuss the research essay, okay, with an example there. So you're looking at a first draft in and around 2,000 words. You have 6 sources of information. You are working with the exact same topic as you completed and worked with for the annotated bibliography. Same topic that you hopefully filled out for dialogue with Dave, and the same topic that you wrote the multiple leads on in exercise 4.3. All of this ties together, and we'll get into the first draft next week, peer reviews, and then what we will do is we'll move into the final stages because this course is over quickly. All right. So this is the lecture video. You want to make some time to look at the research essay assignment. And more importantly, you want to be able to work through the 3 openings. Okay. Hardest part of writing a draft is figuring out an opening. Well, Ballinger gives you some templates here and some ideas to write 3 to get you started. All right. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.